Hi everyone, this is Ramalinga Prasad Kuppa. Welcome to my channel Pharma World. Today's topic is equipment qualification, the part 4 performance qualification. Let us understand the part 4 of equipment qualification, that is the performance qualification. The first phase of qualification was discussed in the first series of videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3. The next phase, important aspects of performance qualification are discussed in this part. The guideline says performance qualification, which is abbreviated as PQ, is a documented verification that the equipment and ancillary systems as connected together can perform effectively and reproducibly based on the approved process, method and specifications. Now the focus is on performance of the equipment to run the real show. Performance is checked for longer periods. The equipment stream should be capable of performing effectively, repeatedly and reproducibly of the approved process. Always remember that the repeatability, the reproducibility, consistency is evaluated only by statistical methods. Design, installation and operation qualifications of equipment, ancillary systems as connected in the stream is the first important phase of performance. The second phase is checking of the overall performance and support of equipment and ancillaries in liaison with each other system to get quality product again and again. The facility qualification, including the performance of clean rooms, also should be a part of the risk assessment. The qualification activity is not a one-time activity. This must be an ongoing rolling plan. So it is necessary to establish the validated state of the process by checking the performance of the equipment with a definite frequency, say once in 2 years or 3 years, or as justified by a risk assessment report. As established earlier, the other qualifications, say the design qualification, the installation qualification, and the operation qualification status should be re-evaluated through a risk assessment. Performance qualification is the final stage of qualification. So, it is a combination of all stages of qualifications including DQ, IQ, OQ and PQ is considered as comprehensive and complete validation. The performance qualification is carried out with actual product process run. This is the recommendation of the guideline. Actual process with an approved protocol under GMP conditions is the definite requirement. It is necessary to use at least 3 runs to evaluate the performance statistically. As said in earlier occasions, always remember that the statistical evaluation is possible when at least data from 3 batches is available. So there is a general tendency to select consecutive 3 batch formula is considered for process validation for establishing the performance of the equipment. However, it is recommended to consider a campaign of several batches more than 3. If the data available is more, the evaluation will be more accurate. So It is recommended to consider a campaign of set of batches for checking the performance of the equipment. The more the number of batches, more the data and more accurate the evaluation. This should be a general attitude when data is proposed to be evaluated statistically. Let us understand some key points in this. It is recommended to carry out the performance qualification whenever there is a significant change in the process. Whenever there is a major change in the process, say a major equipment or type of equipment or a modified process or a new economical route of synthesis or a new source of starting material, it is necessary to carry out the performance qualification to make sure that the process is under validated status. A risk assessment report would provide insight into for any additional qualifications for DQ, IQ and or OQ. If there is a potential risk in the process, it would be captured when a detailed risk assessment is done. The extent of additional qualification may go up to the initial stage of design qualification. It is a requirement that the qualifications may be reviewed with a definite frequency to confirm the qualified status of the equipment. I hope that all the aspects are understood well. Try to review your existing system and incorporate these suggestions. For process validations by quality by design concept, there is a very useful guide under guidance for industry titled Process Validation General Principles and Practices. The document is dated January 2011. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.